In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a gym website with Wix. Building your own website might sound like a daunting task, but with Wix, the process is streamlined and user-friendly. Let's get started and walk through the necessary steps to create your own gym website from scratch. First off, head over to the Wix setup page. Here, you'll find an intuitive interface that helps you organize all your website's needs in one place. Once you're there, look for the three dots, which are usually in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on them will bring up more options. From this menu, select Create New Site. This is where the magic begins, as you prepare to build your new gym website from the ground up. When you're prompted to set up your site, you'll notice the option to Set Up Without Chat. Click this option to continue. This step ensures you can proceed without being interrupted by a live chat feature during setup, which we'll configure later based on our needs. Next, you'll be asked to type a name for your new site. In this case, let's use Example Gym for simplicity. Type in the name and then click on Continue. Naming your site is crucial as it not only identifies your brand, but also plays a part in search engine optimization. So take a moment to consider what name best represents your gym. Now you'll be presented with another Continue button. Click it and then click Continue again in the subsequent panels. This might feel repetitive, but these steps are designed to verify your selections and ensure you're on the right path in setting up your website. As you move forwards, you might encounter an option labeled Highlight. Clicking here allows you to focus on customizing specific elements that make your website stand out. You can select particular features you want to emphasize on your site to allure potential members. With those selections made, keep clicking Continue in the subsequent prompts. This will finalize your primary settings and take you to the more in-depth customization pages where you can further refine your design and content. Congratulations! You've just gone through the initial setup steps for creating your own gym website using Wix. From here, you can dive into even more artistic elements by adding images, altering layouts, and integrating other functionalities that suit your brand's aesthetic and operational needs. With Wix's flexible tools, the power to create a stunning gym website that draws in fitness enthusiasts is at your fingertips. Good luck with your new site!